This is all you need. This is all you need to have success in Forex. Is a Baby Yoda on your desk. Because, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel, GGFOREX here. And on today's video, it's nothing really like informative what it is, but what I want to do is share an experience with you. I'll put Baby Yoda there. Today has been an amazing day. Today I have worked my ass off, studied every day, back tested every day, sacrificed the weekends to learning the concept is what I'm learning, and I finally broke the 6K mark. Now, can I keep it there? That is another question. That is also another video for another time. But I won 4 trades. 4 trades today I won and lost one. I traded pound CAD, pound AUD, 2 trades on pound AUD, pound NZD and USD Swiss. I lost USD Swiss, won all the rest. But I've been working so hard on this for ages, trying to break this mark, and I finally broke it after 3 months. So if you guys are struggling, if you guys are like not getting it, you're getting somewhere, you're taking 1 step, 2 steps forwards, and then taking like 10 steps back, and then you're like starting again from square one. I know, I've been there. I'm about to show you my journal in Smart Charts so you can see exactly how my journey has been for the last 3 months doing this strategy. It hasn't been easy. It's been very difficult. The mindset is the hardest thing. When the markets are closed, excuse me, coffee and excitement's coming back at me. When the markets are closed on the weekends, you need to be working on your mindset. Either that or back testing old charts. But main thing is mindset. Strategy is one thing. Mindset is a whole new ball game. If I had a stronger mindset today, I probably would have been up even higher. But I'm happy with 26% growth in one day. And I know you're probably going to say, that's an absolute lie. You can't do that. Well, I'm about to show you what I did. And also, I know people that do this 26% growth off just one trade. I am not at that level yet, but I aim to be. So I know it's entirely possible. I am on the high time frames. I'm not on the 1-minute charts where people get 1 to 6s in about 15 minutes. And then 2% risk on that, that's 12% gain. Do that 2-3 times a day. You can easily smash out 26% growth, right? So I know it's possible, but yeah, I'm just super happy with this. I want to show you my results, I want to show you my experiences, and I want to hopefully encourage you to keep going, not give up on your strategy, and just keep pushing, because it is possible. And to give you an example, if this was a real account, as in a live account, not a demo account, what I'm practicing on, I would have made the same money as what I do in a month, in a day. Yeah. So what I would have made in like 160 hours of work, I could have made in a day, and I was sleeping through half of it. Kind of puts things into perspective, doesn't it? So let's just jump into charts. Oh. Okay guys, hope you can see me there. The lighting is terrible and my hair is gonna be bad again. Because UK, if you're not in it, or you didn't watch the news, whatever reason, we are in another lockdown. So the barbers are shutting. I'm gonna try and get there before Thursday, because that is official lockdown for a month. Could be longer, who knows. But yeah, I mean, yeah, it could be me with a hat again. I might see if I can get a GGFOREX snapback in time, because that will be sick. I might just do it only as a little treat for my success today. So, I'm in the current trade at the moment, Euro AUD. I entered this on the 4-hour time frame, just so you can see what I was going off. I could see these beautiful equal highs there. The overall trend is in an upwards trend. I can see this big bankers candle coming down here, taking out these equal lows. So these are my confluences. It lined up with my fibs, and I just pulled the trigger on this 4 hours banker candle. Possibly, I think this is a 1 to 3, 44, 158. So the best way to work out your reward to risk in percentages terms is do what you're willing to gain. I don't know if you can do this in anything else other than Smart Charts, because you don't really know what you're actually potentially going to be making unless you do some like mad maths, but Smart Charts does it all for you, because
It's just awesome. And then you divide it by how big your stop loss is. So you divide it by 44 point. Oh fuck! Right, let's try that again. Right, 1 by 8.7 divided by 44.2. So it's a 1 to 3.5. So this will be a 7% gain on the account if this trade plays out. So far, it's just a mitigating in this candle. So maybe London Open, we'll see what really happens. Is also, if you have a look up here, more targets. So there's more reason to come up to the upside, because there's equal highs there as well. And as we all know on the GGFOREX channel, equal highs, equal lows means targets, not support and resistance. Anyway, moving on to the main purpose of this trade is my journal. Yes, it hasn't been an easy one. As you can see, it started off great. We got up to, I think, roughly 17%, and then it was a downhill battle from then. As you guys know, my emotions were pretty bad. Not emotions, I'm not like crying, I'm not, you know, doing any of that silly stuff. I was just 100% focused on this, because I know I'd done it and I let myself down. I got overconfident, so I overtraded. I did all the rookie things that you're not meant to do. And then I started to really buckle down, focus, only take high probability trades, worked on my mindset every weekend and any free time I had, really. It was all about mindset, because a strategy, you learn a strategy, you act on it, but when the trade's open, that's when your mind plays tricks. That's when you cut out trades too early. That's when you bail out of trades because it's in your stop loss area, and you don't just let it play out. You never accept the risk in the first place. So I haven't mastered it. There's no way I'm going to master it, but I've learned to adapt with it and go with it and not freak out when it's in drawdown. Just accept it. That's just a part of trading. And you just move on. If your trade loses, move on. Trade wins, move on. Don't get too sad. Don't get too excited. Today I'm excited because it is a big milestone of mine. But yeah, that's just the way of the game. But just to let you know what's going on, I was on, I think, minus 4.5, possibly, maybe minus 4.7, and I've gone from that to plus 21% of my account. So as you can see today, there's a new feature of Smart Charts. 5 trades taken, 3 wins, 1 loss, 3 consecutive wins, 1 loss. So yeah, anyway, it's 26. I'm calling that 27% gain on the account, ladies and gents, because 0.98 is a 0.7. It's just around, we're rounding that up. That is a 27% gain on my account today, people. 27% gain. If you refer that back to my last video I did with the Greg Secker thing, oh man, I'll be buying mansions now. Because 27% on £11 million account. Should we just do that for a laugh? Just do it for gigs. Why not? Let's just do it. Just because I want you guys to not think of monetary value as in like pounds and pence. I want you to think of it in percentages. Remember, it's all about probability. Okay, so let's just do 27% of 11,300,000. Okay, we'll be up 3 mil. Yeah, fuck me. I can't even read that. 3,051,000. Jesus Christ, I'm like that guy in Africa who couldn't read the notes. I don't know, it must have been a prime minister or like the accountsman of some South Africa maybe. I'm not entirely sure, but you know the video and you're probably taking a piss and referencing it for me. But 3 million quid in a day. In a day. Okay? I'm not going to put that in the title, but I'm getting excited because I'm hyped because my hard work is slowly paying off. And all I've got to do now is stay disciplined. Remember, if I go back to my trading journal, what I'm doing on the side of Smart Charts, but also through my spreadsheets, is I'm not risking any more than 2%. I'm not over leveraging my account. I'm actually losing more than I'm winning. But I'm keeping my reward to risk at a good level. Remember, my success rate's only 31%. 31% success rate, 21% growth from my account. So I understand the process. It's all a numbers game. And it's not about how many trades you win. It's about your reward to risk. It has to be more. It's basically it. And the fact that fucking, look, Baby Yoda, bro. Look at that face. We're getting off topic, but I hope this video has like inspired you, and hopefully you're going to take it more seriously and you're going to work on your mindset a lot more, because that is what helped me out massively. It's the mindset, understanding that you're not going to get every trade. I might now suffer 5 losses in a row. I'm okay with that, because 5 losses in a row for me is 10%. I'm still 17% up on my account than I was the day before. Even though the day before was a Sunday and it wasn't open. But you know what I mean? So I could take 5 losses in a row because my risk management is correct, and the fact my reward to risk strategy I'm using is correct. So I don't mind losing 5 in a row, because I know I can win 1 or 2 and then completely destroy or make that non-existent those trades. That makes sense? So you lose 5 trades in a row, or I win 1 trade at 1 to 5. A 1 to 5 at 2% is 10% growth. Losing 5 trades in a row at 2% risk is a 10% loss. It's the same thing, right? So if you stick to your strategy, stick to it as just a numbers game, you will succeed. And I've proved that. Yes, this is a demo account, but that's not the point. I'm learning a process, I'm learning a skill set, I'm saving money, I'm paying off credit cards, because when the credit cards are paid off, well, then that's when the live account starts, ladies and gentlemen. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope you found it inspiring, and just keep at it, guys. Mindset, mindset, mindset. It's more important than you think, even your mindset before you even start looking at the charts. I didn't really take much notice in this to begin with, but it's more important than I realised, and yeah, I wish you all the best, guys. I love you all. I'll see you Wednesday for the next video, because who knows what that brings. This might be depression. I might lose those 5 trades, but I doubt it, because I'm probably not going to take 5 trades from now to the end of the week. But see how things go. Love you all. Like, share, subscribe. You know what to do. I'll see you in the GGFOREX group down below, where you'll get my cheat sheets, and then you get 75% off smart charts if you want it. If you want any more information, just DM me. I'm out. I don't know what I'm doing this.